Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm attempting to film a unboxing video and showcasing of my Kookaburra collection using this setup. Now the space that I've got to work with within this setup is a lot smaller than when I film on my normal setup with my big open desk. So let's see how we get on. This might be a first and last time I film a Kookaburra collection video in this setup. It might go horribly wrong. I might end up knocking loads of things off the shelf and we might just run out of room completely when I'm taking out the trays of this box. But I thought I'd give it a go. I quite like the way the camera angle looks. You can see some nice bits of silver in. We've got the salt lamp that I don't often use now. So yeah, I think it looks all right, but let's see how it works. So let's get straight into the video. Now, first of all, we've got the unboxing. Now, I believe this is from TSC. And if I've got this right, this is not only going to be another Kookaburra, but it's also going to be his TSC round that Cardiff Gold had made up. Let's see if I've got that right. And yes, it does look like I've got that right. So first of all, massive thank you TSC for sending this across. Really appreciate it. He actually picked up 3 2025 Kookaburras for me. So thank you very much for that. One of these has got Valui's name on it. For those of you that have watched my previous videos on my Kookaburra collection, this is a box that Valui actually made for me to store them all in. And Nick over at Valui also made himself one of these boxes, and he's also collecting the Kookaburras. So one of these has got his name on it. I think he might have actually already paid me for it, to be honest. So I need to get that sent over to him. But I actually picked up 3. Now, I picked up 3, one for my collection, one for Nick, like I said, at Valui, and I've also got a spare one. Now, I was planning to put this in my deep stack because it's a 35th anniversary one. And what's so special about it is this privy mark here is the same design as the very first Kookaburra. So the very first Kookaburra that was released, I believe it was released in 1990. That was the design that was on the coin. So a really cool feature. Like I said, it's the 35th anniversary as well. So I believe this is going to be one of those more collectible pieces within the collection. And that is the reason I got myself an extra one to put away into the deep stack. And then in the future, if it shoots up in price, then I can make a nice bit of profit on it. Or I might even be able to just help someone out in the community. If someone in the community, say, let's fast forward, say 10 years time from now, if someone is trying to complete this date run themselves and they're struggling to get hold of one of these Kookaburras, this 35th anniversary one, it'd be very nice to be able to actually help them out. So that's why I've got myself an extra one. I will take this one out of the capsule. I should have put some gloves on, but I'm going to handle it very carefully. Don't worry, Nick, this won't be the one that I send over to you. This will be the one that I put away into storage. But I really like this reverse proof finish on this design. Looks really good. I actually quite like that portrait as well of King Charles. $1 face value from Australia. And this coin is made by the Perth Mint. You can see it's got a P there that represents Perth Mint. It says 2025, 1 ounce, 3 nines fine silver. And it's the 35th anniversary one. Really nice. I've got a lot of time for this design. Very nice indeed. And around the edge, you've got more of a proof like finish again, like a shiny reeded edge. So you've got lots of different contrasts of colours. You've got the frosted colour, and then you've got the polished colour, and it just contrasts each other very nicely. And this lighting's actually doing it quite a good job of showcasing it. So there we go. So this is the next Kookaburra to add to my collection. I'm just going to make sure I don't get them mixed up. I'm going to put this one out the way to one side, so I know that that's the one that's going in my deep stack, and then I know that one of these is going to Nick and one of these is going to be kept for myself. So I'll put Nick's one to one side over there for now. And then let's have a quick look at these. Now, he's actually sent me two, which is very generous. These are actually the TSC rounds that Dan over at Cardiff Gold had made up. They're 20 grams each. They've got a proof-like finish on this side. And then on this side, we have TSC's logo, which has come out really, really nicely. The stack collector, you've got the rows around the bottom there. And one of these is going to be for me to add to my collection. And one of them I'm going to actually add to the giveaway chest. I'll add it to the Stackers Social giveaway chest. So it'll be nice to kind of build that chest back up a little bit, because we've just got a couple of pieces in there from Silver Stag Stacker the other day, and apart from that, it's looking a little bit empty. So we'll add one of those to there. So I'll put that to one side as well. And let me just try and find the box for this before we put the Kookaburra in its box. I believe it is somewhere around here. Let's have a look. Is that it there? Yep, here we go. And this is the box that Nerd UK very kindly made. Actually, I think it was Silverpunk commissioned Nerd UK to make these, and then Silverpunk sent these out to everyone as a surprise. So yeah, massive thank you to Silverpunk and to Nerd UK. I'm mentioning a lot of people in there. I'll try and tag every single person that I've mentioned so far in today's video description, so you can go and check out their channels and interact with them. But extremely nice storage box. You've got the most used emoji in Stacker Social on the inside of the lid, and you can see we've got my one in there, 365. We've got Cider Soundman, we've got Silverpunk, we've got the social stackers, and then I saved a nice spot in the middle for TSC's round to go in the middle there. So there we go. I finally completed that mini series. Really, really nice to actually have all 5 of them in the box. They look really, really cool. What a great little collection that is. So that's nice to complete that collection. Let's put that to one side. And let's put the Kookaburra in the box. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm not sure how well I'm going to be able to maneuver this. Let's start by resting that over there. Oh, is that going to knock anything off? No, right, that's fine. And let's try and move these trays. I have no idea where I'm going to put these trays, because I really am working with very limited space here. But we only have to remove one tray to get to the one where the 2025 goes. Now this is the 2024, so that means here is where the 2025 one goes. So we're going to pop that one straight in. Actually, I'll tell you what, we're going to swap the capsule out, because I like to keep all of these capsules the same to keep it nice and uniformed. So we're going to pop out that Need 2025, because we don't need that anymore. Let's see if we can get straight into here. Yeah, there we go. And we're going to pop this in here, just like that. There we go. And now this is going to pop in there. And look at that. That is the latest Kookaburra added to the collection. Extremely nice box for all of these to sit in. Very, very nice indeed. And I will try and quickly show you the other ones, so you can have a look at how far I am along at completing this collection. A few missing on this one. And then this is the bottom layer. And you can see, yeah, I was right. It's 1990 when the collection started. But yeah, that first layer is quite a lot that I need for this one. These are harder to get hold of, because the older the year, the more the premium is on the coin. So it's proven a little bit more difficult to pick up some of the older ones. I'm waiting until I see them pop up for a nice price. But yeah, extremely nice collection. Love this presentation box that they all fit in. And like I said, we're up to the latest year now. So you can see we've got loads more spaces. We've got 2026, 27, 28, all of these to fill up as the years go on. We've also got a whole spare tray here. So this box is really future proof. It's going to last for a long time, and it's going to be absolutely incredible when it's fully complete. So there we go. That is today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. For Louis, if you're watching today's video, I will get this shipped out to you very soon. And then I will, like I said, add this to the giveaway chest, and I will announce in a future video how we're going to give this one away. So thank you very much, TSC, for sending me an extra one. Really appreciate it. It wasn't too bad actually filming in today's setup. I didn't actually knock anything over yet. There's still time while I'm packing everything away. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks as always for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and smash the like button. And I hope you all have a very nice day.